Hi, today I am starting a series of videos in which I will show my complete collection of pacemaker. I have a pretty big collection, maybe the biggest one in France. I know there is a dude in Germany who have several thousands of them, because I did miss eBay bid one day for maybe 1,000 of pacemakers, something like this, a huge quantity. The bid closed at several thousand euros, so it was not affordable, but I know someone has them, probably. So we will start looking at each model of them, at least. Here is my name. So I will zoom a little bit and we will start. Where to start? So first, this is not a pacemaker, but it is stored in the same box. It is a hearing aid, Gaia Oticon, Denmark. By the way, these things are very hard to find. I would like to have more of them, but really they are not easy. There is a photo of it on my Flickr of insides. I will link it if I find the link in the description box of the video. So first thing at least. Then we start the pacemakers from the German brand Biotronic. Lucas L03 VVI. Pretty big one, this one. It is 6 cm wide. Nothing over the rear side, only one contact on the top here. A rare one here from Tour, which was each German brand and became, after reunification of Germany, a German brand. It is a Reficard Duo, serial number pretty small here, 725. And you can see we have 2 terminals in this one for the probes to the earth even, and here you are missing a little bit of the plastic piece. So most of them have laser welded titanium case. Sometimes it can be stainless steel, but most of the time it is titanium. So it is another one. Next, from the same company, I have in fact 3 of them. So 2 of this model, Tour LCP 201, made in German Democratic Republic. Maybe I did open one, I have inside somewhere, I have to check. And the same model after reunification of Germany, for Germany reunite. The brand it became Dynacor, Tour Technology, and the same model number. So I have 3 of this model. We continue. Something totally different. Acolyte 52 by Dr. Engineer Osipka GmbH in Germany, Western Germany. So we know it is pre-1990. For sure, this one is in pretty nice condition. Only one terminal I saw here. And you can see there is some remains of the silicone from the probe wire, electrode wire. I was never able to remove this, oddly enough. Okay, next one. Intertac model 26212 by Intermedics Incorporated in Freeport, Texas. So here you can see we have X-ray plate with a model number which allows to read the modem number when you do an X-ray. On the back, the engraved serial number. And here it seems we have two contacts in the header. Okay. Next, so if I remember correctly, this one is the first one I did ever find. Yes, you can see there is some signs of maybe blood inside or oxidation inside the plastic here. It is a CPI Vista 6 made by Cardiac Pacemaker Incorporated in St. Paul, Minnesota, USA. So there is only this part of the case is bare and around you have insulating material. Okay, next. Here we have a big one, old one. It is 5 centimeters diameter, and you can see it is round and it is pretty thick also, 1 centimeter thick. Seems the case is in stainless steel here. It is from Medtronic company in Kerkrade, Holland, or Netherlands. VVI's 5983 pulse generator. So this one must be a quite old one, probably from the 80s. Quite big. Next, it will be a 3 or 4 parts video, I guess, at least. Pace setter Vivalit 2, model 401. VVI unipolar, so for cardiac practitioners, this means something. Made by Cots Pacesetter Limited in the United Kingdom. Here I saw one single contact. In fact, when you have one contact, the case is the return path for the current. So here we have from Biotronic company again, one Ergos S03 with, you can see, 2 times 2 probes holes here on 4 contacts in total. And we have 2 Picos LP01, one Picos LP01, one Picos E01, because why not? And I did just drop my remote. Neos 02 on the exact same form factor. So I do not know exactly what is the difference between all these models. Okay. 1 second. Thanks. Next. From Telectronics in Sydney, Australia. Yes, Optima 174. There is the pulse rate here per minute indicated. And you can see there is a plus sign here, so the case is positive in this one. And we have the remains of a cardiac probe still attached to it. And inside is a little fish, but they were sterilized anyway all, so, and it is enclosed, so, and it is so old also, probably they were removed 20 or 30 years ago, so quite a rare one, this one, I believe. This one is a very nice laser engraving of this one. Quantum with model 25319 by Intermedix, made in Switzerland, with a nice logo here. This one is quite big also. Yes, 5 or 6 centimeters wide is the regular average size, not too thick. 7 millimeters thick. Okay. One over from CPI, XLVR, still made by Cardiac Pacemakers, St. Paul, Minnesota. And also here a small X-ray plate. Okay. Next, more Biotronics, Picos 01, Actros S, and Kalos 04-2. Lots of different names, they have all the same form factor. Okay. Next, CPI again, Vigor SR, still Cardiac Pacemaker Incorporated. A nice logo here. Same kind of X-ray plate. Next we have here a French one by Ella Medical, made in France, Opus RM. Quite a big one also, this one. Looks like so. And I have a second one. Not exactly the same kind, you can see. Here we have, yes, here you have two terminals, and here we have only one. Okay. Next, from Intermedix in Loloc, Switzerland, relay pacemaker. This one, the header is a little bit damaged. Maybe when they did it to sterilize it. The serial number written here at the back, and instruction for releasing the leads. So relay model, and second one of the Stride model from the same company. We have more Telectronics Sydney, Australia. So you can see they are made in Australia because they are made in the other way. In fact, all the other ones have the lead going to the right when you have when you are looking at the model number, and these ones are the leads to the left. It is probably they are made in Australia. So this one is a quite weird shape. Telectronics Series 2. And a little bit of lead remaining. And surgical wire. Next we have probably an old one here, vintage one, Alpha 11, made by Medicine Technique LG in Switzerland. Very shiny one, quite a big one. Here there is an overheat indicator, it seems, inside. And we are missing the lead screw on the terminal. Okay. More electronics, but this one made in Milwaukee, USA. Model 161 VVI. This side away from muscle. And again a bit of lead. Okay. From Pacesetter Incorporated in Selmar, California, USA, AFP pacemaker. Two terminals on this one. Then a very big vintage collectible one of the very early models in a clear resin or plastic, Metronics pulse generator. We have 4 lead battery mercury cells, and the electronics in this hermetic box in the middle. All this enclosed in a plastic frame and clear resin. The ground return path here in the metal disc, and only one terminal. We can see they did use some flex circuits inside. And this thing is quite enormous because it is 5.5 centimeters in diameter and more than 2 centimeters thick. So this was quite a thing, obviously. Here it is provision for stitching it to the muscle with a piece of surgical wire. Okay, we continue for this box. In fact, we have almost done with this one. We have a Metros TC01 from Biotronic. Same kind as again, more from Intermedic Switzerland, Supprime Free. With the same written instructions at the back, and very finely engraved serial number. More Biotronic stuff, because LP01, I have several of this model. Quite compact one from Siemens Space Setter, still in Symar, California, Synchrony Free. Here we can clearly see the contacts inside the header. Nice logo here. Okay. Then more Biotronic, Actros, more CPI Astra. Yes, it is Astra 6 T6. The other one I have here is Astra 6, so it is not exactly the same. More Picos 01, more Actros SR, and a new thing, Kairos DR. Quite a huge serial numbers on these things, made in Berlin, Germany, Berlin even. You can see there are Allen screws to secure the lids. Okay. Then we will try to wrap for this box. One more Biotronic Neos 01, of course. And we wrap for this box with one more Teletronics Sydney, Australia, Optima MP Series 2. Do I have another one of the same model? I am not sure. Series 2. Optima, yes, I have 2 times the same model. Quite impressive. They are rare, I have several of them. Incredible. Okay, so this was the first box. And see you soon for the next box. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.